If your iPhone Maps app is not working right or shows the wrong location, don't panic. I'm gonna walk you through a few quick ways to fix it. First, check your location services, and for that, go to Settings and scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, go into Location Services and make sure it's turned on. Then scroll down, tap on Maps and set it to while using the app or always. Also, under the same location services settings for maps, make sure precise location is enabled. This helps maps get your exact position. After that, check your internet connection. Maps need a stable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to Wi Fi or mobile data. You can also open Safari to double check if it's working. Sometimes a quick restart helps. Just press and hold the side button and volume up. Slide to power off, then turn it back on after a few seconds. And make sure your iPhone is up to date. And that's all. If this helped fix maps on your iPhone, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching.